Across water, wastewater, industrial and chemical sectors, ERG Neve delivers engineered systems to control odor and to treat emissions. This video highlights a selection of representative projects delivered around the world. At the Bandra Wastewater Treatment Project in India, ERG supplied two duty bio-trickling filters, each followed by regenerable catalytic carbon filters. The system treats 120,000 cubic meters per hour of odor-laden air, containing up to 250 parts per million of hydrogen sulfide. At the stack, the discharge concentration is reduced to below 1 part per million. This major installation is scheduled to come online in the summer of 2026. In Doha, at the Ashghal South Terminal Pump Station, ERG engineered one of the region's largest biological odor treatment plants. 8 bio-trickling filters, followed by 4 horizontal carbon filters, process 120,000 cubic meters per hour of exhaust, containing up to 335 parts per million of hydrogen sulfide. The operational performance has exceeded expectations, consistently achieving below 0.1 parts per million at the stack. At BP Kazan in Oman, ERG provided pH adjustment and a stripping column to remove dissolved hydrogen sulfide from contaminated groundwater. The stripped gas is routed to caustic scrubbers for final treatment, protecting workers, equipment, and the environment.
For Mersen, a French international manufacturer, ERG supplied a direct-fired thermal oxidizer to treat volatile organic compounds released from continuous graphite furnaces. Due to high VOC loading, the unit operated in an almost autothermal mode, ensuring stable, safe destruction efficiency with minimum auxiliary fuel demand. In China, a third-generation regenerative thermal oxidizer was delivered to treat vapor emissions from a tank farm, storing xylene and benzene. The system provides robust hydrocarbon removal with high thermal efficiency. For Sherwin-Williams, ERG supplied a stainless steel wet scrubber followed by activated carbon polishing. The system treats process air containing methyl methacrylate and mixed solvents. ERG's VTEX technology has been used to remove naphthalene emissions from dedicated storage tanks. The system absorbs naphthalene into mineral oil, concentrating it to around 13% for controlled recovery while eliminating odorous release.
ERG is currently constructing an advanced hazardous waste oxidation system for an international agrochemical client. The plant will thermally oxidize dichloromethane liquids and nitrogen-bearing gases at a combined rate of over 260 kilograms per hour. The process converts the chlorinated waste into a useful hydrochloric acid liquor at roughly 20% strength. The system also incorporates catalytic denox and energy recovery, producing 14 bar steam. For Takeda Pharmaceuticals in Ireland, ERG supplied a specialized system treating a small but highly contaminated gas stream of halogenated VOCs. The process train includes a thermal oxidizer, heat recovery into thermal oil, quench and scrubbing, reheat using a heat exchanger, heated by recovered thermal oil energy. And the final treatment of the process gas is selective catalytic denox. In Oman, ERG designed flue gas desulfurization equipment for an antimony sulfide roasting plant. The inlet gas stream contained up to 2 tons per hour of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. The system converted these pollutants into 7,700 kilograms per hour of dry gypsum, with less than 10% moisture content. A vacuum belt press system finalizes solid handling for export or reuse.
For Dow Corning, a variable area Venturi scrubber was engineered to capture 1 to 3 micron silica particulate, an extremely fine dust requiring high energy contact and controlled pressure drop. At Ferrybridge, ERG supplied a combined gas cleaning and subcooling system for a Doosan-Babcock installation. The process removes particulate, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride and cools the gas ahead of downstream CO2 capture operations. For Bywater International, ERG designed an emergency chlorine scrubbing system capable of handling a 1-ton chlorine release for a water infrastructure project in Sudan.
A large municipal composting operation required control of high ammonia and VOC concentrations across 170,000 cubic meters per hour of ventilation air. ERG provided 3 large annular activated carbon filters to achieve odor-free discharge. ERG's VTEC scrubber is uniquely suited to treating tar-laden syngas without fouling. A modular system using 2 VTEC units in series captures heavy tars effectively while maintaining continuous uptime. For a major nickel refinery, ERG provided emergency chlorine scrubbing for a potential 5-ton release, together with vacuum stripping equipment capable of treating 1,000 cubic meters per hour of chlorine-contaminated analyte liquor. ERG's VTEC scrubber is uniquely suited to treating tar-laden syngas without fouling. A modular system using 2 VTEC units in series captures heavy tars effectively while maintaining continuous uptime. Across every project, ERG applies proven engineering, tailored process design, and field experience to solve complex emission, odor, and hazardous waste challenges.
To learn more, contact the ERG Neve team.